Starting week 16, 4 to 8 inches of snow last night fell, depending on what part of the yard you're in. But solar panels are all under there. Solar stuff is there, and I shoveled a bit. Snow blowed, so the guys can work safely come Monday. Highs in the high 30s. Next 2 days, 35 right now. So a lot of this should melt. So we'll have no problem come Monday. They should all be melted on Monday. I mean, all the surface stuff. Wish I knew how deep my garage was gonna be, but I don't know. Just gonna have to see how deep it is. Yeah. Anyway, take the dog to the dog park. I'm gonna get some photos and videos with the drone. I'll put them here if you want to see them. Hey, Porter! What is it? That's really impressive.
Is that ready to be? Where's that corner for?
There's my propane line exhaust. So here's our bathroom. So they're actually going to keep our old house intact. This is being built around it, which I think is totally wild. So all this is going to remain. That is going to remain in there. And then this is our bedroom, closet, Matilda's room. And here's the view framing. So from here back will be the same, but then from here forward will be 8 feet ceilings. That's not a now. What's that? No, not yet. She's... So they're gonna basically keep the rest of that roof intact and just build this one on top of it, which is wild. Let me show a picture of this inside. So here we go. So this is the new roof line right here. This is the old roof. This is obviously gonna get demoed. We're gonna take this off, and that way it comes with 8 foot ceilings, which will be right there. Those are our 8 foot ceilings right there. And so this all comes off, 8 foot ceilings all the way in across the front of the house where the front door used to be. But then back here, he was saying his plan is to keep all that in there. Just keep all that intact. And then just put blow in on top of it. Which is crazy. Just crazy, but it is what it is, right? Hey, our windows just arrived. I have no idea what brand they are, so time to look those up. Very exciting. They're gonna have those windows in. They said by tomorrow, all the windows we put in, and they'll get ready for installation then. Last couple of weeks of ice fishing. There's some snowmobiles over there. Guys in the trail snowmobiling across the street there. There they go. And people some ice fishing. Probably about 4 weeks left of ice fishing. And we have our house. Let's see. So, as you can see, here is what the final version will look like. 8-foot face with 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 windows. So 5 in the living room / kitchen, 2 in Matilda's room out front. Huge difference in roof line. Those solar panels are going to be up there on the whole front. It'll be solar panels. Let's go look inside. All right, so now when you walk up the stairs, this is the ceiling. It's not gonna be quite that tall, but they're framed in for the new windows and doors. As you can see. They'll retread these stairs, of course. Oh, sorry, there we go. That's better. So they did not, I was hoping they would get the ceiling done so we could see the height of that.
I know. But they got all of the framing done out of it. I mean, these windows were not framed in yet.
They were trying to save some heat. That makes sense.
For sure. It's so amazing to see the size of these windows, though.
Yeah.
View.
Yeah, I wish I could see it. But, okay, so this is Matilda's room. So her door will be where, Heather, left or right?
Right.
So this is where our old house used to end, right here. This was the view of my neighbors from there in dirt. And so you'll walk through this and you'll be in Matilda's room. She'll have 8-foot ceilings. And it'll go right there. Her closet will be in this little area here. No, this will be her closet here. Our closet will be there. And just a reminder, this is all the old house there. So that's all the old home. Then the closet will be, right there. Obviously now my neighbor, Fran, is right there next to me, which is super weird to be so close to Fran's place. And then we'll have another door here into the old living room. But all this will stay. All that will stay in place. You can see here they have some venting. They've cut holes in the old house. The old roof system to allow for venting. And so that'll all be vented out. There'll be a door right here. And then the rest of my closet will be there. King size bed goes there. And then we'll walk through over here to the bathroom. I do wish, Heather, there was another window in here, though. I guess because but the vanity will have a mirror there, right?
Yeah.
So you really can't put one there.
No.
Anyway, only one window in the bathroom, which won't get a lot of sunlight because it's facing north. Yeah, it's facing north. You break something?
This line, Mark.
I know.
Felt like it might never happen.
Well, Matilda, there's your room. My room?
I know. It just feels like so much space for her, even though it's not a huge room.
Yeah, I wish they had put those collar ties up there for 12 feet. It would show
Just to show us
a little bit of what that would look.
Well, they did mark it on the one.
Yeah, it is marked. It's right there.
Super helpful, but
Right there is where it's marked. But, yep.
yeah.